Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the
Hi
video.
everyone, we're back for another Jamaica driving directions, and now we're on Mandela Highway. We are going to the Boulevard, Washington Boulevard, and from there I'm going to show you how to get to Molynes Road into Halfway Tree. So let's go. Look at those beautiful mountains in the background. That's the beauty of Jamaica. So we're going under the bridge now, where you have that overhead pass. So if you're going to the ferry side, like to IGL or so, you would take the extreme left and then you come back up. If you want to turn back, you'd have to take that left to and turn around here to go back in the direction we're coming from, because you cannot turn back on the highway. This is the only time you can turn back. So we're going under the bridge, and then I'll get back to the video when we're near to Washington Boulevard. Just look at that traffic, guys. Look at that traffic. What I like though, I like how the lights line up really nice. The whole perspective view on this road with the mountains in the background. We're coming up to the Nestle warehouse and factory. I guess there's a factory too. They're on the left side over ferry. Okay, so we are leaving Mandela Highway and going onto Washington Boulevard. So we keep in the left lane. If you were going to Spanish Town Road, you would keep in the right lane or the middle lane. Spanish Town Road goes back to 3 miles. So this is 6 miles we're approaching. I think they call it 6 miles. I think it's supposed to be 6 miles from Kingston. I'm not sure if it's actually 6 miles from downtown Kingston. Okay, so we are going on to Washington Boulevard now. Traffic not bad. Let me change lanes. If you turn right to go into Corville Gardens. People are turning right on that road if you want to go back. You can also use this right to get onto Spanish Town Road. Have Tasty on your left. Everybody knows our Jamaican tasty patties, and they sell breakfast too, like porridge, how many cornmeal porridge. I'm not sure what other porridge they sell, maybe oats, I'm not sure. And they sell lunch too, like chicken and rice and whatever else. We're going over a little bridge here. church on your left. It's a very popular church. Oh, we just passed Boulevard Shopping Center, I think. Turn right onto Molynes Road. Molynes Road is in both directions. You can turn left too, but that's for another day. We're gonna turn right because we're going to Halfway Tree. It would be easy, I'm sure, if I went down and turned back and came around, or turn left and turn and come over the road. I'm sure of that. But this right turn doesn't make sense at all if you're in a rush. It was right the way on Molynes Road. Look at this, no traffic. Yay. This is 92 Molynes Road. Some auto places and auto parts places. But it's a little bumpy. A lot of bumps are because they patch the potholes, so you have these little square patches on the road. That's why the roads are so bumpy. That's Sundown Crescent on the right, Maple Leaf Avenue on your left. This is Fox Ridge, a very popular electrical parts and lighting company in Jamaica. They have Bird's Auto, their brand new office or auto parts place on your left here. You have restaurants and so. It's good to know that place. Health Plus Pharmacy. We're at 64 Molynes Road now. Going down this left takes you back to Halfway Tree side, Constance Road side. Oh, it was too good to be true. Traffic start again. This is 61A Molynes Road. On the right is Clarendon Place. I see a used parts sign there for Honda, Suzuki and all of that. This place on your left, Jamaica Plumbing Supplies Limited. Very good place for plumbing supplies. They started off here. Now they have a really big plumbing supplies store in Portmore. Really lovely building. For Molynes Road, Deluxe Center Medical and Professional, Deluxe Center, IP Seaton and Associates, Electrical Mechanical Engineering Contractors. We have Liberty Pharmacy on your right, another auto parts place on your right. Auto parts coming soon on your left, financial services and support on your right, and there's a natural choice place on your right. I think they sell smoothies and all of that, like a health food store. And this little orange looking building here on your right. Molynes Fabric Care Center, right after you pass the Texaco on your right. This is a very major intersection. It doesn't look like it, but it is a major intersection. Baptist Church on your right. You can turn left on these roads to go back to Park Road. You're halfway to the side. Jamaica Premix and Concrete Limited on your right. It's your building. It's a good place to know. Bell Rose on your left. Hope Fellowship Church on your right. You can turn right on this road to go back to Hartley Park Road. Crescent on your right. Deadcon Art on your left. You can turn left on this road too. Go back to some restaurants around that side. And go to a number of places that are off Eastwood Park Road. There's like a place on your left here where the man fixes fans. German Auto Parts Express on your left. CMB Restaurant on your left. I think there's a tire place somewhere here on your left too. A really good tire place on your left here. There's a JN ATM on your left. And an NCD ABM is on your left. Heritage Plaza on the left. There's a little restaurant there, it seems, that sells breakfast. This little place on your left, it's not a little place, don't take it simple. This is where most people come and do their tire changes in a halfway tree or fix the tires. Reprographic is a great printing place on your left. I really love them right here, and the prices are pretty good. If you want like big banners and so, they're really good for that too. Mail complex on your right, there's a gym over here on your right to the back upstairs. Sheldon's Auto Parts Limited is on your right. There's a little plaza here on your left. If you go down a little further, I think that's where you have Apex Medical Center. So based on this, I'm not sure if it's because it's a Monday morning, but I wouldn't recommend driving Molynes Road to go to Halfway Tree from the Washington Boulevard. I will try other routes during the week and see. This is not my normal route. I'm going to a training session, so that's why I'm driving this way. I'm not even sure which is the best route. So once we go over this road, you'll have the Halfway Tree Transportation Center on your left, and then we're gonna go on to Kingston Spring Road, which goes into Halfway Tree Square, where the clock is. That's what they call Halfway Tree Square. Like going to change again, you know. Intersection is blocked. You need some police up the top to drive the traffic at the intersection up there to go on to Kingston Spring Road. So if you like Jamaican souvenirs, right here on your right, there's Halfway Tree Transportation Center on your left. Okay, so this is Halfway Tree. So the clock in front of us, there's an NCB on your left, there's a little plaza on your right, there's a Tasty on your right. towards Halfway Tree Road now. Going into New Kingston. Okay, so we're on Halfway Tree Road going into New Kingston. Victoria Mutual head office, or one of their main offices on your right, Victoria Mutual Building Society. And on your right, this is where you go to a place called Matson Unlimited, a very popular school. Adult learners can go there too, and high school children go there to do their extra classes, or if they decide to do some extra subjects or so, or if they don't think their teachers are adequate at their schools, or just to get some extra teaching in maths and other subjects. I think it started off as maths because that's why it's called Maths Unlimited. That's Parkington something over there. Straight down. On your right you have a tasty, but that's a one way. You'd have to go further down and turn right and go around and come back up this road to access that tasty on your right. You have Heart and Vascular Center on your left, and as you go over the stoplight you have Root Bend Road on your left to go JPS and all of that, and Root Bend Road takes you back to Trafalgar Road, and also you can take the left and go and take a left again and go back into Halfway Tree. You have a tropical battery place which is very popular, and people coming in the opposite direction, they turn left to go back into Halfway Tree. If I take the left and go in through that road, it will be a shorter route, but it's gonna be congested in New Kingston. It might take longer. Based on where I'm going. Office, and further down you have a retail store. It takes patience going into New Kingston in the mornings from this side. It probably could be easier from downtown. If you take the toll coming from Boulevard, so passing the National Housing Trust in the gonna be quicker going this way. Emancipation is a very beautiful park in Jamaica. If you come to Jamaica, you should visit it. Very beautiful. So if you take the left, you'll be going up to Northwood Boulevard, where you have Pegasus Hotel and all of that. It's all in video 67.1.